Patio edging, not holding soil or mulch properly, can totally mess up your outdoor vibe and make your yard look sloppy. So, first off, you want to pick edging materials that are tough enough to actually keep soil and mulch in place. Think heavy-duty plastic, metal, or stone. When you install, make sure the edging goes deep enough into the ground so it doesn't shift or get knocked over by rain or foot traffic. Also, try to create a slight inward slope or lip on the edging to stop soil from creeping out. Using landscape staples or spikes can help anchor flexible edging materials so they stay put. Don't forget to compact the soil right next to the edging so it's solid and won't wash away easily during rain. Mulch should be spread evenly and kept at least a couple of inches below the top of the edging to avoid spilling over. If you notice gaps between the edging and soil, add some extra dirt or gravel to fill those spaces. Regularly check your patio edging after storms or heavy watering to fix any shifts before they get worse. One of the biggest problems with patio edging that fails to hold soil or mulch is using cheap or flimsy materials that bend or break easily. Swapping these out for metal or stone edging can solve that. Another common issue is shallow installation. If the edging is too high above ground or not set deep enough, it won't resist soil pressure, so make sure to dig a trench and bury it properly. Third, a lot of people forget to secure flexible edging with staples or spikes, which leads to movement and gaps. Just adding those anchors will keep everything tight and stable. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to connect with local contractors they can actually trust for patio and landscaping jobs. Contractors also get a steady stream of work through the site, helping them grow their business while homeowners get quality results without the stress.